Do you want to offer wireless alarm systems that are virtually as robust and reliable as a hardwired system? Introducing Visonic's PowerMaster family of wireless intrusion alarm systems based on Visonic's PowerG radio technology. PowerG provides an extremely large transmission range, far greater than the industry standard. Devices in the system continuously measure communication quality and automatically set their transmission power to the minimum required for reliable communication with the panel. This decreases RF pollution and increases battery life for the peripherals. PowerMaster devices can be configured from the panel. For optimizing the placement of detectors, a link quality indicates the RF strength between devices and panel. Several PowerMaster panel models and accessories are available to meet any security or safety need.